Welcome to 7661 Elvire in Viveash. There's a beautiful two-story townhouse here opposite the parklands. There's a private gate entry to that just over there for complex residents. Front reticulation and a dedicated carport. Walking inside, you've got stairs up to the second level. The front room, built-in robes, and a bathroom ensuite. Opening up to the main living and kitchen space downstairs with a little laundry and toilet, which is also accessible from the bedroom downstairs that we were just looking at before. Here's the kitchen. Gas cooktop. Fridge nook, space to put a dishwasher, and plenty of cabinetry as well. Downstairs living area features split cycle aircon, TV and Ethernet port down there, and a gas bay in it too. Stepping out to the backyard, clothesline and side access. Immediate access to the pool, and a nice little outdoor space and a storage room. Going upstairs, got a large living space, plenty of light, great views to the bush across the road. Split cycle aircon up here. Nice bathroom with a combined bath and shower. Separate toilet. And two bedrooms upstairs, one with view down to the pool area. And this one with a split cycle aircon as well. Upstairs lounge space is